Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix high ping and lag spikes in League of Legends. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. The first step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. And you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. Click on OK for save changes. Select close. Now the second step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these two commands, you just need to close it up here, and the third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click on open it. Select inbound rules and select a new role, and now select port and select next. Now you just need to select UDP, and you just need to check my video description for this code used in my video. Copy and paste over here. After pasting it, select next and select next. You can type any name you want. I'm gonna type league, and after typing it, you just need to select finish. After doing this, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.